What is up, y'all? It's Donald B. How are you guys doing? I wanted to talk to you guys about a video that I made because I know some of you are trying to figure out how do you guys do those transitions. And this is real simple. Look at this video. Now, you see how I did that. Now, I know you're probably curious, what did I do? How did I do it? Well, I have a way to show you, and this is all on the TikTok app. You don't need any outside apps to do this. Guys, I forgot one little detail. So at the end of this video, I have a little gift for you. Please take a look at it. You're definitely going to enjoy it. Something that you can utilize to help you grow in your TikTok. So it's there for you, all right? Continue watching the video, all right? It's not very clear on how to do this, but I'm going to show you how to do the transitions from one screen to one screen. Like, don't you always hate it when you have to do a video and you're sweating and you're racing? You got to change outfits like this. Like, it gets so old doing that. Like, I don't want to switch my outfits. It's kind of annoying. I hate sweating going back and forth, back and forth. Do you realize my outfit changed? I don't think you really realized that, did you? Yeah. But anyways, let's get into the editing. Let's show you how to get it done. And hope you enjoy. All right, here we go. This is what I want to show you guys how to do. We want to do the actual transitions and show you how to actually keep on one outfit for your entire scene. And then if you want to add a second person or whatever you want to do, you can do their session next. So this is how we do it. All right, so you can do it with a sound, no sound, however you want to do it. I'll just have a sound just to make it, you know what? Yeah, I'll have a sound. Let's just do this. All right, so let's do certain parts. I'm gonna do like 4 parts for me wearing this outfit or wearing this hat. So like this. Record. Pause. Okay. Now, so that I know I'm doing a separate session, though I don't mix it up, I'll probably put my hand up like this. So I'm eating an apple. All right. That's another part. Now, for me again. With the hat. Hand. Me. Hand. Me again. All right. So, as you see right here, there's separate sessions, right? The ones with the hands, I'm gonna go back and edit those. And you want to know how to do that? All right. This is how we do it. Where it says at the very top, and I will circle it in the video, adjust clip. Click on that. Now, look at the very bottom. You see each one that has my hand? Those are the ones that I want to edit. That's what I want to change. So I'm going to wear a different hat in my video. So, let me go ahead and put my hat on now. I'm doing this all as I go. Continue doing this, sorry. All right, I'm going to put the other hat on. Now, what we're going to do here is, we're going to click the second link down the bottom. It says like 1.3 seconds. I'm going to click on that with the hand. All right. Now, we don't want this image. We want to do a different video. So this is where we'll hit the refresh button. Hit refresh. Now, I got my other hat on. Now, all I have to do for this, now, I wonder if it actually works if I actually hit the button. Just click on this. Boom. It's recording, boom. Ah, perfect. That's all I gotta do for that one. Hit the record. Let's keep that. So I want to keep it, so I'm gonna hit the check mark. All right, next to the next one. Let's go to 0.7. Boom. I want to do this one again, so refresh. And I'm gonna record again with my apple in it. Or I'm gonna eat my apple on it. Okay. Perfect. All right. So I'm going to hit the check mark because I'm done with that. Do I want to, let's say if I don't like it. Hit refresh again. Don't delete. If you delete it, it's going to get rid of the whole session. But let's go ahead and record again. All right. Now hit check. If you like it, you can play it to see how it looks and everything like that as well. I mean, obviously, this is not what I like, but at the end of the day, I'm going to keep it just for this purpose. Hit the check mark when I'm done with that. Then go to your other hand. Hit refresh because you don't like that part. And I'm going to shake my head this time and just hit the start. You can hit the timer too if you prepare yourself. You can do that if you want to. Hit the timer. It gives you time. It gives you 3 seconds or 10 seconds. As you see down here, 3 or 10 seconds. That's the time. If you don't know this already, that's the timer before your video actually starts. So it gives you 3 seconds to start. I'm going 3 seconds, but 10 seconds too long. So 3 seconds, and then I can do what I need to do. You can still make the adjustments if you want to on here, which is pretty interesting. Hold on. Yeah, you can still short if you want to, but I'm not getting into all that. So back out and timer. Let's do the full thing, and let's. Oh, I changed the portrait view, so you can do all that. If you swipe to the left, swipe to the right, it does that. If you never knew that, you can keep change it to whatever you want to look like. Okay. But anyways, we're not getting to that right now. All right, let's hit start. All right, now that's all the scenes. I'm gonna like this one to keep it. Hit the check mark, and that's all the scenes. Now I just play it. See if it looks good. See, it did everything for me. So now that I like that, I'm going to save this, and this is my video. See, just like that. Remember, I did all of my scenes. Let me bleed all that. All right, so I did all of my scenes just like that, no problems at all. I can do all my scenes if I want to wear a blue shirt, because, you know, like I said, sometimes people go back and forth. Like, they'll, for the first scene, they'll put on a hat, whatever, wear a shirt. Then the next scene, they'll take off the shirt, put on it. Yeah, I used to do it all the time until I figured this out. So I saw somebody doing it on a video and I had to, like, you know what? I got to show my people how to do this. So this is how you do it. This is how you get it done without sweating. Now I can just be like calm and just do my videos. Because I'm telling you, I'll be watching videos like, yo, this dude been sweating because he has so many different transitions. I get it. But at the end of the day, that's how you do it. Hope that helped. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, if there was some more clarity that you need for this video, please let me know. All right? All right, y'all. Go back to me again. Go. I hope you guys like this new outfit. This is a new style. This is how you do a jacket. Anyways, did you guys enjoy that video? I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved it, because I want to make sure you guys understand how to do certain things on TikTok. Leave comments down below. So again, these videos are a little separate because I forgot to put it in there, but it's okay. That's the power of editing. But anyways, you guys came here to see what was the gift at the end, and the end, what I have for you is you'll see a link down below in the descriptions. I'm giving you a template on how to help you grow your channel. Now, I'm not saying everything's 100% proof. I said 100% proof. Not everything's 100% perfect, but I can tell you is what worked for me. I have over 170,000 followers on my family channel. I'm starting a new channel, hoping to grow. I have over 100 some followers right now, but I'm like a month in, but it's okay. This will work for me. I'm giving you guys a starting point. Utilize it. It's there for you. Just click on the link down below. You'll see it. It's there for you to have access to it. So have fun, enjoy, and finish the video. All right, that's it. And any questions, concerns you may have, I will do the research even if I don't even know the answer to it. But if you don't know, like I said, leave it down below. I'll do what I can for my next videos to show you guys exactly how to do these particular TikToks, how to do trends, anything like that. I am here to help you. Donald B got you. All right? So like, subscribe, whatever you got to do for this video. So continue following me on this channel. I want to be able to help you the best I can. Any information you need, I'm here for you. I got you. Let me know, and Donald B will be there for you. Woo!